All right, what's going on, boys and girls? So this particular video is a microphone unboxing. I got sent this particular mic from a company called Tonor, Tonor. No idea about them much. I just found they reached out to me, the review sample, call it whatever you want, unboxing. But I wanted to see how this stacks up against my Marantz and against like the five finds that I've used. And when they reached out to me, I definitely jumped on that motherfucking opportunity. This is just a quick unboxing, so I have no idea what's in this. I've briefly looked at the product, but as far as our Amazon listing, so yeah, let's get into it. And we have shipping information, and then we have Amazon box going away. So we have toner microphone, very kind of generic box, but let's see what's actually in it. That's what really matters. Okay, so let's see. We have instructions. The Tonor Q9 studio mic. I am really curious to see how well this plays in Linux. Not gonna lie. That's really what a lot of these microphone tests are. We got a windscreen, sound screen, whatever you want to call it. So this looks like to be a complete set. So that's kind of cool. $50, that's not a bad deal. Just like the shock mount's actually built well too. So, oops. Well, I think I found the one that's going to be replacing this current one that I have here. So that alone is worth the review to me. So there's that. Got the shock mount. This is, the hinge is decent metal. The rim is plastic, but like I don't expect much from screen guards. Your other type of pop filter. Then you got, how is this connected? This is the same connector my Marantz uses, so it's USB and then audio type interface. Then we have the clamp, which I'm hoping is better than the one I currently have, because the one I currently have is a cheap $20 one. So it's a solid metal, it's, decent swivel as far as like rotation and stuff. So that's cool. That's the actual mic. Let's get the mic arm out. See how that contends to the quality of the current one. Which, again, the current one is not all that great. Nope. Almost lost the spring. Yeah. Oh. An extra spring, or? Well, okay, that's a little annoying. But that's easily fixable. One of the tension springs came out in shipping, so that's a little annoying, but hey, whatever. Shit happens. There's that. There's that, there's that. And let's get to the actual microphone. Alright, so this is the actual microphone. Volume up, down. I don't know if that's going to fit my shock mount. You can get that to fit if you have a bigger bigger microphone mount. I do not have that big of a one, so I'll be using that shock mount. I'll be testing this to see how this does in recordings compared to my Marantz and how it did in comparison to the Five Fines. Build quality is really good though, nice and solid. I like there's actually a nice tactile feel to the up-down microphone volume buttons. So yeah, I'm curious. So we'll be testing this mic out over the next couple of videos to see how this does. Again, I'm just curious more than anything else to see how this does compared to the $150 Marantz mic that I have. So that's just it, guys. You guys know what to do. Subscribe. Peace.